Let's turn to the second video, which is called graphing pictures and patterns. For this picture, we can go to a menu to explore more and more images. However, when it concerning the menu, we cannot go into it more, so maybe we can do it with documents and links. Okay, documents and new. After that, I can add some graphs, like maybe geometries. We can get 1 meter. Once we save it as a document, you can click yes, so you will go save it, and click no, you will unsave it. After saving it, I can name the file. Any file is okay. Any name of a file is okay. Take example of the trigonometrical function. After that, we name it and save it as a file. However, because of the one name, that's because it has the same name, so that we can do something to change it. But if we save it, save directly. And after that, we can add some graphs like sin x. Just take an example, which is turned like the ocean. And after that, we can add a tab to type another function, which is also associated with this function, which is 3 cosine 5x. In these cases, we can call the function. Here's a function with the red one. It's 3 cosine 5x. After that, we can explore something new, which is like the sine 3 cosine 5x. After that, we click X, and then we can click yes for saving a document. However, the name is the same, so can name another name, which is called trigonometry 1. Any name is okay. Just take example of trigonometry 1. We can save it. After saving it, we can save it directly. So after we can get a picture. For adding the picture, we can go to the menu to add the images. However, we cannot see the menu, so we can click news. Click new to function it. We can choose images. This feature can allow us to overlay the graphing onto my pictures for a unique visual learning experience. Imagine graphing a sine wave over an image of the ocean. It's not just for fun. It can help you visualize how mathematical functions interact with the real-world images.